Look, he's getting his first bath.
He's sleepy.
I know he loves what she's doing. It says, ooh, it feels so good. Look at
He's
that.
a baby.
He is a baby. He's your baby.
You have to touch. You have to pull the knot.
Here, you gotta hang on to Grandma.
Let me. Let me.
Out up there, just don't touch anything. Watch him. He won't move. Look at him. He's loving that.
He wants that water.
He likes that water.
You had to push the button, say cheese.
Oh,
That
you
is
think Tom should say cheese? I think Tom knows how to say cheese. Oh, look, he likes it. Look. Oh, it's okay, Tom. It's okay. It's okay.
He don't want to stop that on his head. He don't like stop that on his head.
He doesn't like it to get his hair washed.
Look at how nice he's being. He's going to be a nice boy. He's going to be a nice boy. He's also in that feels so good. She's gentle. Oh, look how pretty he is. Take his picture. Take his picture. Okay, that's good. We don't need 10,000. Okay, well, okay.